Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin and welcome to my channel Ultra Woody. If you didn't see last week's project, it was a pencil pot made out of purple resin. Didn't go as planned, it was full of cracks and a bit of a disaster. I'd learnt a few lessons, okay? Right, if you didn't see it, check it out. So this week's video, I want to make some hexagons out of walnut. Okay, then I'm going to slice them up, stick them to a board. Make a circle out of it, stick it in there, fill it with yellow resin. It's going to be sort of like a honeycomb beehive sort of thing. And the idea is, it's not a bowl, it ain't a breadboard, it's to hang in a window so you can see the light going through the resin. Okay, so it's going to be obviously yellow resin and walnut hexagons. Right. Let's get on with it. I'll start by cutting the angles at 30 degrees on each corner to make the hexagons, and then I'll cross cut them. Right, let's crack on. If you're still with me, thanks for staying to the end. I've finished my window hanging doochmy thingamajig. And here it is. Okay. I'm very pleased with it. I'm very, very pleased with it. Yeah, I mean, I've made it just so you could see the resin, yellow resin, around the outside of the hexagons. Very bee-like. Okay, if I was going to change it, I probably would have done 3 of these, 2 side by side and 1 coming down. So probably that one and that one there. Yeah. Or more, don't know. I'm super pleased with it. It worked out brilliant. If I would criticise it, you can just about see the recess around the back of that. And I filled it with resin, thinking it would make it all disappear, but it hasn't quite, you know. It's less visible than when I left the recess there. Okay. No, super pleased with it. I mean, look at it. Look at this with the light behind it. If I can show it properly. Yeah. You can't really see it. Okay. Right. I'm going to take some photographs of it with the sunlight behind it. Hopefully it will show up like that. Okay. My project holder has gone shopping, so I can't get her to do it. So I'm just going to have to hopefully stick it upright with light behind it. Hopefully it'll work. All right. Well, thanks again for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed my project. I'm sorry it's only a flat thing. There wasn't really a great deal of turning, but I learned a lot. I learned how to make hexagons. That's fairly interesting, and they worked out very well. Okay, might see them again sometime. Be something different, though. Yeah, thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to share it and help the channel grow. Cheers, bye.